Hey there, fellow Roblox enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today we've got something super exciting lined up for you. Have you ever wanted to create your very own Roblox game, but thought you needed a computer to do it? Think again. In this video, we're going to show you how to create Roblox games right from your mobile device. That's right, you can unleash your creativity and build amazing games on the go. So without further ado, let's dive in. Step 1. Getting started. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Roblox app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once you've got the app installed, go ahead and log into your Roblox account or sign up for a new one if you're new to the platform. Step 2. Using Roblox Studio on mobile. Now, you might be wondering, but how do I access Roblox Studio on my mobile device? It's simple. Just open the Roblox app and tap on the Create button at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Create New to start a new game or choose an existing template to build upon. Step 3. Building your game. Now comes the fun part, building your game. Roblox Studio provides a range of tools and assets to help bring your ideas to life. You can design landscapes, create structures, add interactive elements, and so much more. Let your imagination run wild. Step 4. Scripting and coding. Want to add some interactivity to your game? That's where scripting comes in. With Roblox Studio scripting capabilities, you can create custom behaviors for your game objects. Whether it's controlling character movements, triggering events, or implementing game mechanics, the possibilities are endless. Step 5. Testing and publishing. Once you've finished building and scripting your game, it's time to test it out. Roblox Studio allows you to preview your game directly on your mobile device, so you can see how it looks and feels in action. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to creating Roblox games on mobile. With Roblox Studio, you have the power to unleash your creativity and build amazing games wherever you go. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Roblox tutorials. Until next time, happy gaming.